I was trying to catch an anole, but it seems that the anole caught me. I was trying to catch it the normal way, but then it bit me, and that's kind of how I got it off the tree. I don't know what kind of anole this is, but I haven't caught this kind before. It's biting pretty hard. Normal anoles feel like someone touched you. It really doesn't feel like anything, but this guy has more of a powerful bite. And he won't let go. I want to show you guys that dewlap. Whoa! He's got a pretty one. He's even got a bit of blue on his dewlap. And green, right there. That's a cool dewlap. I'm going to name him Camo, because he was completely camouflaged against this tree. Look, he disappears. So I'm going to let him go after I look at that dewlap one more time. Okay, bye Camo. When we were in Costa Rica, we saw a lot of lizard species looking under rocks, logs, and even rusty corrugated metal. In this video, you'll see most of the lizard species we saw when we were in Costa Rica. And this is a basilisk, a full-grown male basilisk actually. Look in the corner, look very closely, and you will see the male basilisk right now before he runs away. Basilisks are very amazing animals. They have flaps on their skin, on their toes, that trap air bubbles when they're running on the water. That's what makes them run on the water. It's so cool that they can run on the water. Look very closely. In this clip, you'll be able to see a basilisk running on the water, and that's why they call it the Jesus Christ lizard. Look very closely. You'll see him in a few seconds. Look, there he goes. He's running on the water. It's very cool. But I hope you enjoy this clip of him running on the water, because it's a cool clip. It was hard to catch basilisks because I never actually did catch one. But the fastest lizard, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, is the spiny-tailed iguana. I, myself, thought the basilisk was faster, but it said that the basilisks can only go 5 miles per hour, but the spiny-tailed iguanas can go 21 miles per hour. I'm going to try to catch this iguana at this bus stop. The spiny-tailed iguana seems to be a girl because it has a baby, and I'm going to dump the rest of my fruit for it. We see a gecko in a display window for some candy in a store. And I don't know what the heck kind of candy all this is. And I know what those are. But it's also weird candy. I have found a blue and orange gecko on that pretty jungly looking banyan tree right there. Nice, pretty banyan tree. I'm not sure what gecko species this is, but it's really cool. Seems to be nice. And it's very pretty. Look at that. Vibrant colors. Black tail, blue middle, and orange head with like blue spots on it. Now I'm going to name him Colors. His name is Colors. And look at that nice orange chin. Almost like the animal, just without the gulap. I'm going to go let him go on the banyan. Even though I looked and 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 looked for snakes, we only found 5. A vine snake, 2 cat-eyed snakes, 1 sea snake that I found when I was snorkeling, and the sock-headed snake that we found with the bug lady.
Such a beautiful little snake. Now, not much is really known about their life cycle. As far as I know, they've only found their eggs 2 times. One time it was right on the ground underneath.
I hope you enjoyed the video of the reptiles. We were planning on showing you more, but please hit the like button and hit the subscriber button. If it's red, that means you have not subscribed. And please comment, ask me questions, and I will happily answer them. Bye! I hope you enjoyed the video.